Welcome back. Foundation stone for the Ponda Kranti Maidan was laid on Wednesday at the hands of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, other ministers and MLAs. The Ponda town refurbishment master plan was publicized on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar assured to fulfill all the demands of the freedom fighters.
The foundation stone of Ponda Kranti Maidan was laid on Wednesday. The Ponda town master plan was publicized on the occasion. The plan aims at decongesting the town and beautification of important sites. The freedom fighters have demanded acquisition of adjoining land to the Kranti Maidan, which is presently with the military unit. The freedom fighters have also demanded a place for their office.
स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक आम्ही इतर कडे मडगाव आसात पणजी आसात सगळे म्हापशा आसात कोण फोण्या भितर आम्ही खूप प्रयत्न केले खंय तरी एक स्थान आमकां भितर आसचें निवासस्थान ल्हानसो कुटको भितर आसपाक गेल्ले म्हाका दिसता ढवळीकर बाबा वचून खबर आसा पूण वय आमकां तातूंत एक ल्हानसो खंय तरी स्थान मेळूंक जाय.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar assured the freedom fighters.
हांव ह्या व्यासपीठार आमच्या काउन्सिला तर्फे उतर दिता वचन दिता जेन्ना आमचो प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट जातलो तुमकां कमीत कमी 100 स्क्वेअर मीटर तुमच्या ऑफिसा खातीर आणि 100 स्क्वेअर मीटर तुमच्या मिटिंगा खातीर आमकां दिले गेले वतले.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Goa celebrated its 52nd Liberation Day on Thursday. The official function was held at the Panji Kampal Parade Ground. Students from various schools performed cultural performances, thus keeping Goan tradition alive. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.